Welcome to the Jorns and Associates Self-Employment Tax Credit Overview. Self-employment tax credit was created for any self-employed workers, real estate agents, insurance agents, Uber drivers, plumbers, electricians. There's about 80 million individuals in the United States who filed a Schedule SE on their tax return. Basically, if you paid self-employment tax, you might be eligible for this tax credit. The Family Medical Leave Act created sick leave back in 1993. But the American Rescue Plan really tailored this program for individuals dealing with COVID-19. It's a fully refundable tax credit, meaning you actually receive a check from the Treasury for the amount you qualify for, and you could qualify for up to $32,220. The IRS recently announced they're a little behind on these filings, so the payout could take several months, but we have seen folks get their checks within a few weeks. There's three calculations we look at to file for this credit. Personal sick leave, you could earn up to $511 per day for up to 10 days if you were out of work due to COVID-related issues. Maybe you had to quarantine because you were waiting on test results. Maybe you did test positive. Maybe you were around someone who had COVID and you needed to quarantine and you missed your self-employed work. The $511 is based on your daily earnings. If you earned over $132,860 for the year, you'd make $511 per day. If you earn less than that, maybe you earned $100 a day, then you could earn up to $100 per day for up to 10 days for missing your work for COVID-related issues. All we need to know is which 10 days you were out in 2020 and or in 2021. There's also the family leave tax credit. You can earn up to $200 per day for up to 10 days. As a caretaker, maybe you looked over your spouse or your parent while they had COVID and you were healthy. They need to know which 10 days you took care of those individuals in 2020 and or in 2021. And then there's the child credit, up to $200 per day for up to 50 days in 2020 and up to 60 days in 2021 if you had a child whose school was closed or daycare was closed due to COVID-19. On that credit, we do need documentation from the school or the daycare stating which days they were shut down due to COVID-19. The time frame for this tax credit program is April 1st of 2020 to September 30th of 2021. The scope of engagement is pretty simple. Complete our basic client questionnaire, and we'll document your qualification based on your answers. There's no upfront deposit. We only get paid if you qualify. You provide us with your tax returns, and our CPAs will calculate the credit and amend the tax returns on your behalf. You pay the filing fee for each year you qualify, and you'll receive your credit directly from the United States Treasury via check. We provide audit assistance for up to 5 years at no additional charge. The next steps in the fee structure are pretty simple. Fill out the client questionnaire at the link that was provided. Whoever invited you onto this webinar should have a link they can share with you so you can fill out those questions. There's no risk to see if you qualify. We do all the work upfront for free. There's fees to file. It's $500 for the personal sick leave filing in 2020 and $500 for that sick leave filing in 2021. If you had someone that you took care of or your children missed school or daycare, there's an additional $250 fee for each year. Up to $1,500 is the maximum fee you can pay, and you'll know what you're getting before you're invoiced for that fee. You'll get an email stating, hey, you're qualified for, let's say, $8,000, and you qualified for all four of the calculations. There'll be a $1,500 invoice you'll pay, and then the filing will be sent to the IRS. It's an audit-ready package. It's signed and filed by a CPA, and you can sleep easy at night knowing for the next 5 years, if there are any questions from the IRS, you're going to have that audit assistance with Jorns and Associates. This is a real program. You can go to the irs.gov website and learn more about it. But at the end of the day, this money has already been printed out. It's earmarked for you. If you qualify for it and don't get it, the government will spend it somewhere else. Our goal at Jorns and Associates is to help you get this money that's sitting in the treasurer's account and put it into your bank account where it truly belongs.